Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Facebook. This simply will prevent other people see when you're active when you're online. Let's dive in. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then you want to head to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. When you're at the settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down to the section that is called audience and visibility. Audience visibility, you want to click on the last option, which is active status. When you click on active status, the default setting from Facebook will be on, but you want to turn this off. What this actually will do, when you turn this off, the active status, you won't be able to see when your friends and contacts are active or recently active. Okay, this is important because sometimes you might want to have these people online and you want to try to contact them and they might not reply to you, right? And then you can actually claim and say, I saw that you were online. And on their site, you can actually do so by simply, asking other people to have this function on and off, depending on how do you like seeing yourself. Do you want to hide yourself? Do you want to hide them? You can still use these services if active status is off. If you use Messenger, I have a lot of people who deleted the Facebook and they're just still using the Messenger to communicate. And the Messenger, when you're on, they will see that you're active. But this is how you actually can go about it and have the active status turned off. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.